Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a suitable base, either a poly mesh or a simple sphere. This gives the curve something to attach to. Next, select the CurveTube brush from the brush palette and enable Strokes Curve mode so you draw curves, not freehand strokes. Once done, set an appropriate brush size and Z intensity. Lower values give thinner tubes. Make sure the brush preview shows the tube cross-section, then click and drag to draw the initial curve onto your mesh. After drawing, refine the curve by tapping to add or move control points and using curve actions to mirror or reposition the whole stroke. Use Move or Gizmo with topological masking to nudge the tube along the mesh surface. This keeps the tube integrated visually. To change thickness non-destructively, tweak brush size or use the curve mode brushes that respond to Z intensity. When satisfied, convert the curve to real geometry. Finish by integrating the tube. Dynamesh or Z remesher the subtool to unify topology, and then sculpt transitions with smooth and polish brushes. If the tube appears detached or shaded wrong, check normals and use project all from another subtool, or slightly inflate the mesh to reproject pixels. This resolves gaps and artifacts. Make sure to keep a copy of the curve or save a morph target before destructive steps so you can revert or refine easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.